Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to turn off autoplay on YouTube using your mobile device. So let's get started. First, open your YouTube app on your mobile device. Here you can see the video is start playing. So we're gonna do at the bottom right corner of your screen, tap the U icon. Then at the upper right side of your screen, tap the settings icon. Here, look for the general, then tap it. Now, tap the playback in feeds. Just tap the off option to stop autoplaying. Then that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.